Hello student, today I am going to start the most difficult topic, alternating current. In this chapter, we will begin with mean value of AC and RMS value of AC. So let's now start with the first problem. The equation of alternating current in a circuit is I equal to 50 sin 100 pi t. We have to find frequency. Number 2, mean value of AC over positive half cycle and RMS value of current, and the last 4, value of current after 1 upon 300 second after it was 0. Okay, so it is given that I equal to 50 sin 100 pi t. Okay, so as we know that I equal I0 sin omega t. So on comparing, we will get I naught equal 50 ampere, omega equal to 100 pi. Okay, so now substituting the value of omega. So as we know that omega equal to 2 pi f. Here f is the frequency of alternating current, means equal to pi. Then this pi to pi cancel. So f equal to 100 upon 2 means 50 hertz. Okay. After that, in second part, we have to calculate mean value of AC in 1/2 of cycle. So Im is equal to 2 I naught upon pi, and 2 upon pi, its value is 0.636 of I naught. Right? Now put the value of I naught, which is 50 ampere. तो 5 6 जा 33, 5 3 जा 15, 3 18, 1, 5 3 जा 5 6 जा 30 और 1 31. तो mean value of alternating current over positive half cycle is 31.8 ampere. Right? In third part, we have to calculate the value of current. So I equal to I naught sin omega t. So value of I naught is 50 sin 100 pi, and the value of t is 1 upon 300. So just 0 to 0 cancel. It means 50 sin pi by 3 means sin 60. Okay, so 50, the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 2 cancel karo, 25 means 25 into 1.732. So 25 to the 50, 5 25, 3 the 75, 5 80, 8 25 7 the 175, 8 183, 18 25 1 the 25 or 18 43. Now 1 2 3. So I equal to 43.3 ampere. Now move to second problem. The electric mains in a house are marked 220 volt, 50 hertz. Write down the equation for instantaneous voltage. Okay, so here it is given that E equal to 220 volt and F equal to 50 hertz. Okay, so this value is given is RMS value. Okay, so first we find E naught, means peak value of voltage. So E naught equal to ERMS into root 2. Right? The value of ERMS is 220 into 1.414. 0, 22 for the 88, 8, 22 1 the 22 or 8 33, 22 for the 88 or 3 91, 9, 21 1 the 22 or 9 31, and the point 1 2 3 means value of E naught is 311.08 volt. Okay, after that we have to write the equation for instantaneous voltage. So instantaneous voltage is always given by E equal to E naught sin omega t. Okay, the value of E naught is 311.08 sin omega means 2 pi f into t to 311.08 sin 2 pi, value of f is 50, means 100 pi t. It will be the equation of instantaneous voltage. Next problem, the peak value of AC of frequency 50 Hz, means frequency f equal to 50 Hz, is 14.14, means peak value represented by I naught, its value is 14.14 ampere. Find the RMS value of current, means IRMS, means root mean square current, question mark. How much time will the current take, means t equal to question mark, in reaching from 0 to maximum value, right? So as we know that IRMS equal to I naught in upon root 2. Okay, so 14.14 and the value of root 2 is 1.414. This point to point cancel, 0 is equal to 10, means IRMS is equal to 10. Okay, now find the value of t. So as we know that I equal I naught sin omega t. Okay, reaching the 0 to maximum value means I equal to I naught sin 2 pi f into t. This I to I cancel, means 1. So note from here, this implies 1 equal to sin 2 into pi into 50 into t. Okay, so 1 value in sin pi by 2 equal to sin 100 pi t. Sin to sin cancel, then pi by 2 equal to 100 pi t. Pi to pi cancel, t equal to 1 upon 200, means 0.005 second. Okay, it will be your. Now look the next problem. If the effective current in a 50 cycle AC, means F equal to 50 cycle, means 50 Hz, okay, is 5 ampere, means I RMS, effective comes to RMS, I RMS equal to 5 ampere. What is the peak value of current, means we have to calculate the value of I naught. And what is the current, means instantaneous value of current after time t equal to 1 upon 600 seconds, right? So now write the formula of peak current I naught equal to I RMS into root 2. So value of I RMS is 5 and value of root 2 is 1.414. So 5 4 the 22, 5 and the 5 are 2 7, 5 4 the 22, 5 and the 5 are 2 7, means 7.07 ampere, right? Now to calculate the current, so instantaneous current is given by I equal to I naught sin omega t. I equal to value of I naught 7.07 sin omega, means 2 pi f into t, means 1 upon 600. Okay, so I equal 7.07 sin 2 pi, value of frequency f means 50 upon 600. So 50 to the 100, this to cancel. So I equal 7.07 into the sin pi by 6, means sin kitna 30 and value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So I equal to 3, 2 3 is 6, 1, 5 10, 10 3 5 ampere. Now move the next problem. The peak voltage of an AC supply is 300 volt, means V naught equal to 300 volt. Okay, what is the RMS voltage, means V RMS equal to question mark. Okay, so as we know that V RMS is equal to V naught upon root 2. The value of V naught is 300 upon root 2. So as we know that the reciprocal of root 2 0.707. So you must learn the value of 1 upon root 2 is 0.707 into 300. तो 7 3 7 जा 21 2 1 mean 212.1 volt. Now move to second part, the RMS value of current in AC circuit. IRMS is equal to 10 ampere, and we have to calculate the peak value of current, means I naught equal to question mark. So I naught is equal to IRMS into root 2. So value of IRMS is 10, value of root 2 is 1.414. So multiplied by 10, we will get the answer 14.14 ampere.